Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn types of preposition, which is part of English grammar for grade 6 and 7 students. So let's get started. First we have definition of preposition. A preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun, pronoun or noun phrase to show direction, time, place, location, spatial relationships, or to introduce an object. So here are some example of preposition: beside, behind, in, on, under, in front of, out of, over. So next we have types of preposition. So here is simple preposition, double preposition, compound preposition, and phrase preposition. So let's learn their definition. Simple preposition are words like at, for, in, of, on, over, and under. These common prepositions can be used to describe a locations, time, or place. So we have some example of sentences. There is some milk in the fridge. So in is the simple preposition and it's describing the place. The second example is he sat on the chair. On is also the place and it's a simple preposition. Next we have double preposition. These are two simple prepositions used together, often indicating directions. Some examples are into, upon, onto, out of, from, within. So let's see some examples. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess. So upon is the double preposition and up and on both are double preposition. The loud noise came from within the stadium. This was also the double preposition. So next we have compound preposition. Compound preposition or complex preposition consist of two or more words, usually a simple preposition and another word to convey location. Some examples are in addition to, on behalf of, and in the middle of. So let's take some examples. First example is I attended the meeting on behalf of my company. So on behalf of is the compound preposition and as you can see on is preposition in it. So it has one preposition and behalf of is another word. We were in the middle of the storm. This is also the compound preposition. Next we have phrase preposition. Phrase preposition or prepositional phrases include a preposition, an object, and the object's modifier. Examples include phrases like on time, at home, before class, and on the floor. So let's take some examples. I will get to the conference on time. So on time is the phrase preposition or prepositional phrases. As you can see on is a preposition and time. On is describing the time. So on is the modifier. John found his homework under the bed. So as you can see under is the preposition and it's describing the bed where John found his homework. So thanks for watching my video.